Tap BP button on the lower left corner. Select bladder mass. Tap the button on the lower right corner. The image is divided into left and right. The left image is frozen. Tap the close button on the upper right corner of the left image to cancel it. Find the position of bladder with the probe. Tap the button on the lower right corner. Rotate the probe to adjust the scanning section. Tap the button on the lower right corner again. All the images are frozen. Tap Measure button on the left side. Select Volume L. It appears Distance tool on the left image. Tap Measure button on the left side. Select Volume R. It appears Distance tool on the right image. Tap Measure button on the left side. Select Volume L. The maximum number of Volume L and Volume R is 3. It calculates the bladder volume with 3 distance lines.